So one flaw I really don't like about the rough country stubby bumper. Obviously, I installed this prior, but to maintenance the winch is a real pain in the butt because you basically have to take the entire thing apart because the bolts, I don't know if you can see, but the bolts down there line up with the bottom of the frame right here, and they're covered by this. So either you got to drill a hole to get to the socket, or you got to remove the whole thing. So at some point I'm gonna be drilling a hole under here, obviously touching it up with some Rust-Oleum or some paint or something like that, you know, seal it. But that's pretty much what I'm gonna end up doing. So when I go to take off this winch or replace this winch with these 4 bolts, basically at the bottom of the winch, you can see right there, I don't have to remove this entire bumper once again, which is a pain. So, word to the wise.